Okay, are you ready to make some peanut butter fudge? I have got the easiest recipe for you that is sure to impress your friends and family. This is going to take us about 10 minutes from start to finish, and it will wow everybody who sinks their teeth into it. I've got 3 ingredients. I have butter, peanut butter, and powdered sugar. That's it. You probably have all of those in your kitchen right now. You probably could make this right now if you wanted to. So come along with me and I'll show you how we do it. So I have 2 cups already measured out. I'm going to add my 3rd cup of powdered sugar to the bowl, and I'm going to sift this. It's not required. I like to sift it. It makes it a little lighter and ensures that I don't get any clumps in my powdered sugar. And that's why I like to do it. If I'm short on time, I skip this step. It's not necessary, but when I'm doing it to give as a gift or serve at a party, I do like to do this just so we don't get those little lumps in the powdered sugar. So this is probably one of the most time-consuming things you'll do if you choose to do this, but that's the choice you can make, and you can eliminate this step altogether. I'll tell you a little bit about this recipe before we get started. So the measurements are 1, 2, 3. You have 1 cup of butter, 2 cups of peanut butter, and 3 cups of powdered sugar. So it's really simple to remember. I'll show you in just a minute how we put it together, but you don't need thermometers or anything like that. And this recipe actually has been in my husband's family for several years. I can't even tell you how many years. We've been married almost 25 years ourselves. And when we got married, his family was in the habit of having family reunions every year. And his Uncle Larry always brought this fudge to every get together. My husband just raved over it for several years. And finally, I asked Uncle Larry if I could have the recipe, and he gladly shared. And so we've been making it in our house ever since then. We make it every year at the holidays, occasionally for other occasions, but for sure at the holidays. And that's how we have come into this recipe. And now I take it to share with my family and friends and just all kinds of things like that. But people will think you have slaved over this, but it will be our little secret that it's going to take you about 10 minutes in the kitchen from start to finish. Okay, now that we've finished sifting our sugar, let's head over to the stove and finish this up. Okay, let's get started on this fudge. I've put my 2 sticks of butter into my pan and it's just starting to melt. I've got my 2 cups of peanut butter. I'll put that down so I can push this out. So I'm going to add this to the pan. And I've got my stove on medium, just slightly lower than medium. And we're just going to gently melt all this together to get it nice and liquid and combined. Once we do that, we'll add our powdered sugar and we'll stir it. And it'll be done. It's that simple. And it'll take just a minute to get these 2 things combined and melted. So I'll speed this part up for you, but it really only takes about 3.5 or 4 minutes, as I recall. That's really the longest part of the process of making this fudge. Now, if you sift the sugar, that'll probably take you 3 or 4 minutes as well. But if you skip the sifting of the sugar, this is definitely the part that will take you the longest. You can put this together in about 5 or 6 minutes if you want to. Super quick, super easy. And I have thrown this together when I've been in a pinch and need something really quick. You do need to allow for it to set up when you finish. You can speed that part up by putting it in the refrigerator. But if you don't put it in the refrigerator, it'll take a couple hours for it to set up. Our peanut butter and butter are melted together. You see this nice, silky beautiful liquid that we have here. So now all we're going to do is we're going to turn the heat off and pull this off of the eye. And then we're going to add our confectioner's sugar and mix it in. Now, once you get to this point, you want to mix pretty quickly. Obviously, you want to be careful to not spill your sugar because it will tend to spill pretty easily. So just gently fold it in, and once you get a little bit of it folded in, it'll be easier to stir without spilling. So we're about to that point now. So then I start to get in there and really stir. And as you can see, it comes together really fast. And I already have my pan greased. I have an 8x8 baking dish that I have sprayed with cooking spray. And once I get everything combined, you want to give it a quick stir just to make sure everything's nice and smooth. But then we're going to put it in our pan. Okay, I think we're good. Let's get the pan over here. Y'all, don't sleep on this recipe. It is as easy as it just looked. 3 ingredients. It takes 5 or 6 minutes. Just go make this. You will love it, and you will love yourself for adding this into your mix at the holidays. This recipe is as simple as it gets. I've seen so many complicated recipes for fudge where you use thermometers and gauge temperatures. You don't do anything like that here. Just go make this. You get it in there and just smooth it out. And there you have it. Quick, easy, delicious peanut butter fudge. Okay, we'll cut into it. Okay, so I have my official taste tester. What's the verdict?
It's always good.
Ready for a party?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Well, as long as you leave me some.
Okay. We can do that. We can handle that. Okay. Thanks for joining us.